What exactly LabDesk is? LabDesk is an integral application for connecting Smart Series units with PC. Working with LabDesk allows you for connection of PC with several units in the same time, remote control of units, checking unit status, downloading statistics of running program, import of data and events registered in units, saving and reading logs, generating charts, generating reports. The most important functional differences between Smart and Smart Pro can be found at www.pol-EKO-APARATURA/labdesk-software. Main window is available in two options. Quick access option, which allows for easy switch between the most important functions like devices list, programs or file import, and the option start from devices list, which after login will display a list of currently connected units. The house icon in the lower left corner allows you to return quickly to the main window. Settings window allows you to make changes in the application like changing the language, setting the ability to clean data after disconnecting the unit, opening the application at startup, changing the view of main window, database location, data refresh rate, data storage location. Icon below the settings icon contains basic information about logged user, name, surname and role. Next icon will direct us to the manufacturer's website. Then there is an information icon with access to download the application manual, and the last icon in the lower left corner is an access to cameras installed in the unit. Connecting the unit is the first step to proper usage of application. We expand the menu and go to the Manage Devices tab, then click the Add Device button. Now enter the unit's IP address and description. After entering the data, click the Confirm button. Then select the user from the Available Users tab. We go ahead and save the summary. Connected unit will appear in the upper right corner. Clicking on the red button will start it. Relogin is required. If we want to assign more users, we have to go to the tab Manage Users. Then select the user we want to add and click on the button Assign Device, and we go through the procedure again. Device settings. Changes from LabDesk position. Before starting, it is also worth checking the device settings. There are 3 columns in this tab. Configuration tab, which allows you to change basic parameters such as time zone, device name, language, time to backlight off, time to auto logout, return to the screen time, door alarm time, sound, corrections and temperature alarm limits. The next column is the Users column, where you can edit existing users. Add new users. And download users from the unit. And the last column, email. It's a configuration of email addresses and send alerts. Devices list. This tab shows a list with currently connected devices. Each device has the following information: device type, serial number, device name, current temperature, program status, open door status, alarms, option to save data to file. The devices list has two types of view: table view and graphical view. Programs. How to create your own program. In the Programs panel, you will find a list of all currently created programs in the unit. We also have options to create and edit programs, create offline programs and delete them. In this tab, we can also start the program with a delay or turn it off. How to create a program. Click the Add Program button, then set all parameters: program name, number of segments, interval, protection temperature, priority, protection class, loop if necessary. After setting the parameters on the left, go to the settings of segment parameters. We set the temperature, duration, fan and ramp, then save. Click on the program and press the Start button. Status tab shows us the most important parameters of working unit: current temperature and temperature protection, name of the program and current stage, given parameters, number of segments, duration of segment, program priority, loop, door open alarm, fan operation range, light. Below we also have a table of alarms. Now we increase the temperature of the unit, and after exceeding the protection temperature, the application will inform us about it. In the Status tab, you can change the layout, adapting it to your needs. We can save it or restore the standard one. LabDesk has the possibility to create schedules. Let's check this tab. We have to remember that in the schedule we can only use programs created earlier, so before creating the schedule it is worth to consider what programs we need. The calendar is displayed. Click the Create a Schedule button. Name the schedule. Then click the Add Program button. Choose the program and date. The created schedule can be edited by changing the already existing program, adding a new one or removing it completely. Let's see. The Schedule Edit button allows you to change schedule name. Remember, the data must be sent to the unit or deleted. Charts tab. LabDesk creates a real-time temperature chart. We can change the hours range. Set the absolute scale. Zoom the chart. If we have an additional sensor, it can also be seen on the chart. To illustrate the operation of this feature, we increase now the temperature of the unit. Statistics tab. The tab shows the temperature given, average, minimum, maximum for each segment in the program. Additionally, it can be downloaded to the report. LabDesk has the function of reading files downloaded from the unit, the File Import tab. In order to show the functionality, let's download the example data. Status data can be presented in the form of chart or chart report. Device events and status data can be also presented in the form of report. In this tab, we can also create a statistics report from previously loaded data. The loaded data can be deleted by clicking one of the Erase button. LabDesk can also download the data directly from the unit. Tap Data from Registry. Click the Tab, then Load button. We see a summary of temperatures and events. On the basis of this data, the program can create a temperature chart and report of data and events. Please note that deleting measurements will also delete data in the unit. This is one-way process. You cannot cancel it. The most important functional differences between Smart and Smart Pro can be found at www.POL-EKO-APARATURA.com.pl/labdesk-software.